Hello everyone, Akash here. If you have a cracked windshield or any of your car windows are broken, if you have comprehensive coverage, insurance company will replace your windshield and it will be zero cost for you. I personally got into a situation like that recently. My BMW windshield was cracked. If I didn't have the comprehensive insurance coverage, it would cost me about $700 with the labor. I will show you in this video the best way you could claim it online through your insurance company's website, or if you have the mobile app for your insurance company, that will work too, and you could get the appointment right away to replace your windshield or fix your windshield. If you don't know what are the things comprehensive insurance covers, basically it pays for loss or damage to your vehicle, also pays for theft or vandalism, hail, windstorm, riot, falling object on your car, also flood or collision with the animal. So the most of the thing I just mentioned has deductibles, but the glass don't have no deductibles. So simply go online, whoever is your insurance provider. I will show you on the Geico app because that's what I have currently. It's very easy even you have a different insurance company. Online process should be similar. So log into your account, click the claim button, see it says report glasses, click it, then it will give you the option windshield, side or rear glass or both. So choose the one that you need to replace. Then they will ask you when it happened and which state it happened. I already did this process, so I don't want to go to the next page to claim it again. But the next page they will ask you, is your crack bigger than $1? If you say yes, they will replace the whole glass. But if you say it's less than $1 bill, then they will fix the glass for you. Either way, it's zero cost to you, no deductible on it. Geico use Safe Light Auto Glass to do the repair or replace. They are very professional because all they do is replace glasses. So when you submit the claim, they will check nearby location and give you the option go to the Safe Light Auto Glass place, or they will come to fix or replace the glass for you. It was really easy for me to go on the Geico app and do it. I got the whole process done within 5 minutes. But if you have a different insurance company, try it on their website. Most likely you will be able to claim it. If you can't do it online, then simply call them up. But either way, if you have a comprehensive insurance coverage, then it is zero cost to you. And when I claimed it online, they gave me a schedule to come in within 3 days. And the Safe Light replaced my glass within 1 hour. If you have a different insurance company, they might not use Safe Light, they might use a different company. But at least you don't have to worry about it that you might have to pay it from your pocket. So hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any question, you could always ask me in the comment section. And if you give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Take care.